Hi everybody, Rouge Bordeaux Immersion's back, and it is Thanksgiving, and we are on lockdown, so we are going to have a Frenchy Thanksgiving. I don't know, Julian's got something prepared here.
Well, I just got here, look, from the farm. Beautiful full duck. I'm going to prepare that all together. On va faire un canard entier en fait. Qu'on va faire pour Thanksgiving.
Oh, so we're doing one that we're going to keep for Thanksgiving that we're not going to cut apart. Then.
Donc on va juste enlever le foie et
we're just
les abats.
taking out the liver and the gizzards.
Exactement. Et bien donc on va commencer déjà par finir de nettoyer toutes les plumes. On va les brûler.
Okay, so he's going to first start by burning very lightly the skin of the duck because there's still feathers. See ya.
Pas de me brûler. Tac. Déjà ça, vous pouvez vous en débarrasser ici. Hop.
And we decided we know that these ducks are particular to the Southwest. This is a very French tradition, especially for the holidays.
Canard gras.
A fatty duck. Of course, you've heard of foie. Foie is liver. Gras is fat, so it's fatty liver, and it's a delicacy here in France. So if you are a fan of duck, we are the place to come and visit because we are very lucky to have amazing friends who have friends on the farm.
Beaucoup de producteurs locaux. Ouais.
Yeah, a lot of local producers.
Canard!
Here we
Allez,
go.
c'est parti. On dégage ce cou.
It's very precise. Ouf.
Allez, maintenant on va faire le canard entier. Ce qu'on va faire, c'est
So now we are going to do the entire duck.
Thanksgiving.
For Thanksgiving? So
roasted
this is
duck. Quack quack.
the Thanksgiving duck right here. Woohoo!
So now we need to just take the inside out. The liver, les abats,
Liver,
les
le
abats,
foie.
le cœur, le foie, tout ce qui est
The
à l'intérieur,
heart,
les
the
organes.
liver, everything that's inside of the duck, he's going to take out.
Et il sera prêt à être rôti.
And then
Voilà.
it's going to be roasted.
Alors là, c'est chirurgical.
Nice. It is a very precise art, yes.
Yes, it is, indeed.
You don't really sound French when you try to do a French accent.
But I just speak English normally.
Normally.
Normally. Slowly but surely.
That
Ouais,
last
petite
bit of
membrane,
skin
là.
that's protecting the liver.
Ouais, c'est sympa, hein?
Wow.
Ah, t'as jamais vu ça, toi?
No. Yes, I have. Je l'ai fait une fois.
C'était vers Toulouse?
À Toulouse. And then you see, there's the liver.
Oui,
This
je me
is
disais.
a foie gras, fatty liver. Another incision.
Precise.
Precise.
Et voilà le foie. Et là, on va s'occuper de rôtir le canard. Donc, on va
So
finir à
now we
préparer.
are going to prepare the duck to roast for our Frenchy Thanksgiving.
You can contact us if you want more detail to how to do it precisely. I will show you.
In English, ducks go quack quack. In French, they go
Coin,
coin
coin,
coin.
coin, coin. Ben voilà, on a fini notre canard entier, prêt à rôtir.
So now
Et
we're
du
ready
coup,
to
prêt
roast
maintenant.
this beautiful duck for our Frenchy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Happy Frenchy
See you
Thanksgiving.
soon.
À bientôt.